Hello my dear pharmacy friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, Microlabs Vishakhapatnam. So is conducting walk-in interviews at Vishakhapatnam for Bangalore location for their sterile production, packing and microbiology department. They are looking for male candidates. So here you can see for production they are looking for officer or executive manager or senior manager and technical staff. For packing, officer or senior officer and technical staff. For microbiology, executive, senior executive, assistant manager or manager. They are looking only for male candidates. The date and time are 30th July Sunday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The venue here you can see Sinet in Ramchandra Hotel Ramchandra, which is Kormanpalam, Vishakhapatnam, opposite All India Radio Station. So these are the details my dear friends. The walk-in is on Sunday, tomorrow. So please utilize the opportunity. For job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert and also share this job update with your friends. So thank you. See you in the next video with more job updates, and please hit the like button and turn on the notification bell icon for receiving regular job updates.